Welcome to Savannah Georgia Real Estate. My name's David. I'm a local realtor right here in historic Savannah, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you who are looking to buy, sell, or invest in Savannah's real estate market. Now look, there is no doubt we are in a challenging market right now. Savannah is no exception to that. We're seeing things like high interest rates, skyrocketing values, and limited inventory. So having a knowledgeable agent that you can trust and depend on right now is more important than ever. I grew up in Savannah, and I am seeing it change faster than I have ever seen it change before. With those changes come a lot of benefits, but they also come with a lot of challenges. I've navigated Savannah's market as a buyer, as a seller, as a landlord, and as an investor. If you're looking to buy, I have a proven strategy to help you locate off-market homes so you have far more houses to choose from other than what's just listed on the MLS. If you're looking to sell, I have several bulletproof marketing strategies that will place your home in front of thousands of the most opportune buyers who are willing to pay top dollar, not just sticking a sign in the yard and posting it on the MLS. If you want to know more, check out our video library. Here you'll find resources and information that will help you navigate your next real estate transaction with confidence. If you wait to the end of this video, you'll find all of my contact information. Please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.